got to keep my eyes peeled from the caravan, otherwise Hayden just charges along with the project. I completely missed the installation of this last bit along the wall. It's looking awesome. He's so fast. Can we have it sitting on something? That worked?
That's upside down.
But
Well, it's not upside down, it's just
that was good.
got to spin around.
Yeah, good to get it there though. And that's how Hayden moves the window around. This bit of wood is the same wood used from the base of the cabin. So Hayden explained it to me last night. This is going to go along the top of the window for more structure because it's quite a big gap. Any words of wisdom?
No, not really. Still got one more piece to go. Not finished yet.
So close though. Now we've got the framing for the sliding door. Oh, that's also an awesome view. I'm loving this. It's so awesome. I'll walk away briefly, come back, and the last part's done. And it's just decided to jam on Hayden. Fixed and back onto the job. I am looking at our wood pile, wondering if we have enough. Maybe. Well, I'm personally a little nervous about this idea, but Hayden's pretty confident he's going to be able to easily get the sliding door off this trailer. Yes. Like this size? Luckily I'm in the mood where I just don't want to stress about anything, so I think I'd normally be stressing about this a little bit. But nothing at the moment. How far are we out?
What's the other one like?
I wasn't feeling that confident. What do you know? We didn't damage it. Oh, what a mission moving this giant window and sliding door around.
In my past life, I built the pyramids.
So this was supposed to be a rainy day, but ended up surprising us and being okay. But the next few days it looks like it's going to be raining again. So we kind of have to, well, Hayden again has to get everything ready for the rain.